Okay, are you on Tinder?
No.
Okay, what do you think about Tinder? You don't know what Tinder is?
Is it a book one? Oh, that's Kindle, sorry.
That's
What exactly
Kindle.
are you referring to?
That's Kindle. Are you on Tinder?
No,
Yes. Yeah.
What about you?
I was on Tinder.
What do you think about Tinder?
I think it's lame.
Like, it's a cool platform for guys who are not confident to get girls, and you can stalk them also.
It's like human version of Food Zone.
Are you that bored to want to go online and ping and find people around you, like see their face, dude?
It's cool for people who want to like casually do stuff, hookups and stuff.
Yeah.
I think it's okay.
What is Tinder?
It's useless and people waste their time on it
Okay.
because real love is outside, sometimes in front of you.
That's more convenient than stepping out of your room and going out to actually meet people.
You're so boring, dude. Gee, lazy. Gee, I'm disappointed, yaar.
Cat fight. Okay, so what would make you swipe right?
Rock hard abs.
I hope they have like a height requirement first and like pretty face, honestly.
On Tinder, you can only see looks, right? I go for intelligence.
Personality.
How do you find out the person's personality on Tinder?
I just like look at the face, read the bio. If it's nice and funny, then yes.
If he has a beard, firstly, if he is hot, and yeah, probably those are the only two criteria I look for on a guy. So.
Only beard and hot.
Yeah, only that.
You should look good.
Name, picture, interest.
Name? Like,
More of a South Indian name, then yes.
okay.
Nice selfie.
Okay, if you were on Tinder, what would your bio be like?
I'll tell about myself, like programmer, geek.
Meet me to know more.
Okay.
Cute, chubby, good kid looking for love and happiness.
Definitely be something sexy. So it's not going to be something genuine because that's not what happens on Tinder.
Okay.
Looking for hot guys.
Ready to sleep on anywhere.
One of those lame ass Instagram bios with deep quotes.
With a lot of
Apparently
hashtags.
people like that. No hashtags.
Yeah, no, you
Just those
play
deep
hard to
Tumblr
get.
quotes.
No, Tinder you play hard to get because that's where all the horny boys go.
So any kind of funny stories or something?
Just the usual leading them on until they realize it's actually a guy they're talking to. Kind of stuff.
And we do that all the time.
It's happened.
Yeah, my friends. Like, they swipe right and then they arrange for a date and stuff and it turns out to be a dude. It's not really, not pleasant.
That's hard.
There's one of my friend who used it once.
Okay.
I don't know how his experience was, but definitely he got some girls.
Are you like on a Tinder date right now?
No.
There's no point lying now.
Wait, so
Everybody knows.
okay, so you met through Tinder.
Yeah.
And then you're still on it.
Yeah.
And you uninstalled it. This is like Rab ne banai jodi type, dude. Shit. Okay.
If you were on Tinder, people would swipe right on you.
Obviously, like.
How about we just swipe right?
This interview is over.